At SIMC's MA Film, Television and Digital Production, we study how filmmaking has moved from celluloid to digital workflows and what that shift means for creators today.
Here, we learn to operate camera, record sound, edit and present because today's creator is expected to handle multiple roles.
We use AI to organize and sort large amount of footage, freeing up time to focus on the creative process.
We explore how platforms like YouTube and other streaming services reshape what gets made, how it's consumed, and the roles emerging from it.
Courses like Producing and Pitching and the Filmmakers Lab teaches us how to think like creators who understand process, craft, and audience.
We also learn about new responsibilities in production, like minimizing carbon footprint.